Crack the code. Spotting run-on sentences in English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today we are delving into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our focus? Run-on sentences. This is a common error that both beginners and advanced learners of English often struggle with. Don't worry, we're here to make things clearer for you. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert in identifying run-on sentences. So, let's jump right in. A run-on sentence occurs when you combine two or more independent clauses without using the correct punctuation or conjunction. Independent clauses are sentences that can stand on their own because they express a complete thought. The problem is not the sentence's length but how the ideas are connected. Run-on sentences can confuse readers because the ideas aren't separated clearly. Let's look at an example. Incorrect. I love cooking, my family enjoys eating. This sentence is a run-on because it contains two independent clauses, I love cooking, and my family enjoys eating, without proper punctuation or a coordinating conjunction to connect them. How can we fix this? There are several ways, including 1. Adding a period. Separate the two independent clauses with a period, creating two sentences. Correct. I love cooking. My family enjoys eating. 2. Using a comma and a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Correct. I love cooking, and my family enjoys eating. 3. Applying a semicolon. If the two clauses are closely related, you can use a semicolon to connect them. Correct. I love cooking. My family enjoys eating. Now that we understand what a run-on sentence is and how to correct it, it's time for some practice. Here are some sentences. Can you identify the run-ons? 1. The sun is shining, I want to go for a walk. 2. I can't believe it's already December, this year has gone by so quickly. 3. She forgot her umbrella, it started raining. All three sentences are run-ons. Did you spot them? Great job if you did, and if you didn't, don't worry. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has helped clarify run-on sentences for you. It's a tricky topic, but with a bit of practice, you'll soon master it. Remember the key points. Look for independent clauses in a sentence and make sure they're connected properly with punctuation or a conjunction. Happy learning, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English grammar. Until next time, goodbye and take care.